Hi guys, this is Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.